So here's the eye, right? So you've got, so this all like comes apart, right? I'm gonna be taking it apart. But the part that's gray here is actually like the white part on your eyes, right? It looks more like that. So this thingy is the lacrimal gland, right? So that's for tear production. And what's kind of weird is that it is, right, the tears are produced over here, but then they kind of flow out the tear duct right over here. So the gland and the duct are actually on the opposite sides of the eye, which is a little bit weird. But I think that's all you need to know on like this really outer part. So then the white of your eye, right? That's the sclera. And then the cornea, which is this transparent part, that's actually an extension of the sclera, but it's called the cornea, right? It has a different name. You've got the muscles on the outside, which are like the extrinsic something, what are they called?
Extrinsic eye muscles.
Yes, extrinsic eye muscles. Yeah, so you don't really have to know too much about the extrinsic eye muscles, except that they are how our eyes actually move, right? Because you need muscles to actually move stuff. Okay, so you don't really have to know much about them, and it's pretty clear that they're muscles because they're striated. So if you're looking at the model here, you'll know that's what you're looking at. Okay, so the really big thing coming out the back of the eye is the optic nerve. Okay, this is what sends information from your eye to your brain. All right, this optic nerve. You got the iris. Okay, that's the colored part of your eye. And that's actually, it's actually a sphincter, right? So it's actually like a muscular kind of like controlled thing that like expands or contracts, right? So that's the iris. And then, and then the inner, sorry, this is really like awkward because like I have to like look this way, but the clear part, like the actual clear part, right, is the lens. Okay, like the hole is the pupil, but the clear part, the actual like lens, is the lens. So this one on the outside, that's the cornea, not the lens, even though it's clear. This one is the lens. Okay. So then we open it up here, and so how do I wanna? The kind of like inside back part of the eye, like kind of like the inner back wall with all these blood vessels, is the retina. Okay, that's where a lot of the light is actually hitting and kind of being processed. Is there anything else I needed to?
No.
Is that everything?
Yes.
Okay, there you go. That's everything.